Well, from this game, sa mga last game ko, I think ngayon, I just think the defense team, we were really clogging the paint. So, yung binabala yung our uniform talaga. Nilalabas na sila kasi that's really also the game plan to space out the things para magkaroon ng lane to attack the paint. And coming to this game plan talaga namin is to get to the paint more than the outside.
Ngayon ba mas may mga open looks ka rin kasi dati sa Daniels, Justin, RJ, all of them?
Mas space out yung sarili ko kasi lahat pinapagayan. So, hindi alam kung sino yung super sa akin.